We want to talk about road safety.
Why? Because road traffic accidents at work and on your way to and from work happen too often. It is a serious concern for workers and the people around us.
Now, let's learn about some important safety measures to prevent accidents and injuries.
In a construction site, we must have visible and separate pathways for vehicles and pedestrians. This reduces the risk of collisions. Vehicle operators, it's crucial to respect speed limits and traffic signs. Go slow and stay alert. To improve visibility, vehicles must have appropriate lighting and reversing alarms. Windows and mirrors should always be kept clean. Pedestrians, never walk behind moving vehicles. It's a blind spot where accidents can happen. And avoid resting near vehicles. Lastly, always wear your high visibility vest. It helps others see you, especially in low light conditions.
Spread the word and raise safety concerns with your colleagues, supervisor, and friends. We all have a responsibility to prevent accidents on the road.